There we go. There we go, lighting. This is my friend Alicia. She's been in my vlog before. She's got a YouTube channel. She does makeup. She does natural hair. So we're gonna try to move in this this rug. It's huge, and we're just gonna do it. All right. I really think this is the perfect size for the living room. I know. Well, kind of. Hey, look, bro. Just let it fall this way, Mama. Here's the rug. Will it slide out? Oh, maybe if I. This could work. Now, okay. Can you hold it? No. Nope. Here's my rug. It takes up pretty much almost all of, not really, a lot of the living room. So that's up. We went to Target and bought a whole bunch of stuff. Of course, we went to Chick-fil-A. My friends are friends are struggling to put up the. It's okay. We're gonna get it. No, I know it's in here. On second thought, who needs a TV? No. Keep looking.
It's in there.
It has in there. It's not in here.
It's in there.
I know you. That's
it's
right, Shakira.
There. Sean, don't you stop recording. It's
oh no,
there.
we're going. So you guys, it's my first night in this apartment. All my friends have left and I have every light on in this house because I'm just not really used to being by myself in the dark, no protection. It's so weird. Like, what do I do? I just don't really know. I don't know what to do with myself right now. Alright, we've got no food. I don't know what to do with myself. Like, this is my apartment. What? Okay, relax. So this is the sleep situation. I have my blow-up mattress that I will be sleeping in tonight. And I think I'm just gonna study until I fall asleep because I really need to pass this class. Like, just because I moved and I'm now closer to all my friends, it doesn't mean like it's time to party. It's not time to party until December 8th. It's only November 21st. We got 2 weeks left of like really getting my life together. And it's gonna be so much harder now that I'm like so close to all my friends and like, you know, whatever. Then I'll probably go to sleep. I'm sleeping in the living room right now because my TV is out here and I don't know, I feel a little bit better in the living room right now. Just for right now, at least. I don't know. Y'all, I have an apartment and I don't know what to do with myself. I feel like I could get used to this though. I love the peace and quiet. I love it. I do miss my babies though, and of course I miss like my parents and like my brother and sister-in-laws, my brothers and sister-in-laws and stuff, but we're still gonna see each other all the time. And I'm not just saying that, like, I know we are, like, we're gonna see each other all the time. Anyways, I'm rambling. I'll see you guys in the morning. Bye. Good morning, you guys. I'm being productive in my new home because I have to pay these bills. So I'm editing a video right now. Actually, I just finished editing this video. My sleep last night wasn't too bad. I'm just kind of like ready for me to get, what? I'm ready to get my bed and be sleeping in my actual room, but all of that's gonna come with time. This is literally my first morning in my apartment. I woke up this morning and I was like, first of all, it's quiet in here. Like, I don't know if you can hear this echo, but it's quiet in here. I don't hear any kids screaming, which is kind of bittersweet. It's just like, what life? I don't understand what life I'm living right now. Like, I'm still trying to process everything. But anyways.
Yeah, so this bentonite clay treatment video should be up way like long before you see this video, honestly. But if you haven't checked it out yet, go ahead and do that.
We stand a productive queen. Yes, we do. So the dilemma I'm having right now is I'm starving, but if we take a look into my fridge,
this is what we're working with. Some water. My friend had food last night, left it here, and 2 bottles of wine. So, you know,
I definitely think it's time I go grocery shopping. But before that, I think I'm gonna hang up some clothes in my room.
like I showed you guys, I put all of my clothes in boxes. Well, my hang-up clothes are in boxes, but they're already on the hanger. So all I have to do is just take them out the box, put them up here. I bought some extra hangers in case I need, and we're gonna get it together. Like, this is, I'm about to make a house a home. Let's do that really quick.
I'll build a city that dreams for two. And if you lose yourself, I will find you. I'll run away with your footsteps.
All right, so my closet is definitely not like super organized right now. I really just threw everything up. I plan on getting new hangers, but this is like not something that I'm gonna stress over at all.
Out of all the people you know in life, on YouTube, in your head, in your dreams, whatever, I have to be the most unorganized one of all of them, period. I'm gonna try to make it look presentable, but I'm not gonna do like a whole closet organization tour and all that because I just don't care enough. So we're just gonna close this, okay? I started decorating my bathroom, but honestly, I'm not feeling it. It was cute on Amazon. Tell me what you guys think about this. Like, what do you think about this, what is it, shower curtain? I don't know if I like it. Like, you know, I feel like I explained this in a previous vlog, but I don't remember. So anyways, my whole house, the theme is gonna be gray and blue. So I wanted to have a little bit more fun with my bathroom and do something different, but I just don't know if I like it. Like, meh, I don't know. I got like a gray trash can and then a gray, did I say gray? A gold trash bin and a gold like toilet holder or whatever. I just don't know if like it's really tickling my fancy. But in the guest bathroom, I really like this shower curtain. So the guest bathroom, I have this marble shower curtain, which I like a lot better, but I don't know. You guys tell me if you like this. I'm not really sure how I feel about this. But anyways, I'm gonna take a shower and then this is gonna be my first shower in this apartment. A lot of firsts are happening in this vlog. I'm gonna cry. And then I'll probably just come back and show you guys all the stuff I got from Walmart or Target or whatever, but we're gonna wrap this up really soon. I think, I don't know, girl. All right, let me go take a shower. I just spent a lot of money on groceries and I still have to go back because I ran out of space in my cart. I'm breathing so heavy because I just literally I'm tired, okay? So yeah, I ran out of space in my cart, so I have to go back to Walmart. Anyways, but I couldn't stay any longer because the people are coming to fix the couch or set up my couch from 2 to 5. And right now it is 2:19, so they're probably on their way. Yeah, they're probably on their way and I don't want to miss that. I already missed a package this morning. Wait, really quick. Let's just take a look at the before. You know, got nothing, not much going on here. Yeah, we'll see, I'm on point. But anyways, I got an email saying my package was delivered while I was in the shower. I ain't seen a thing. I opened the door, nothing's there. So I gotta make sure I'm on point for the rest of my packages because somebody done booked my package already. It's only my first day out here, you know what I'm saying? Someone's gonna have to catch these hands. These holy hands, of course. All right, so I'm just gonna unpack all my groceries now. Nothing really exciting. Yeah, nothing really exciting, but I'm gonna put my Lay's in the pantry and call it a day.
So funny how you spend all this money and then like you open the fridge and it still feels like there's not really anything in there. Like I didn't really buy anything that I can just pick up and be like, hey, I'm hungry, let me grab a snack. Like no, I have to cook stuff. Even in here, it's like, oh, okay, I'm hungry. I guess I can eat some Lay's chips, but other than that, it's like, what did I even buy? I still can't really eat anything right now. So I'm about to slide to Wendy's real quick because I'm hungry. And I have to go back to Walmart or Target or something because I don't have a cutting board. I don't have real knives to cut meat. I don't have any mixing bowls to mix stuff and season it in. Like there's still so much stuff that I need. Look, I don't know if anyone ever said that this is not expensive, which I'm pretty sure no one has ever said that, but anyone ever lies to you and says, oh yeah, just move, all you need is like $5,000 to move. It's not, no. Hey, this is expensive. Like the money is racking up, okay? I'm about to break down if I don't eat though, so I'm gonna eat. I wanna leave now, but my couch people are supposed to be here soon, and if they come and I'm not here, and they leave without fixing my couch, it's gonna be a problem. I don't wanna order Uber Eats because they're so expensive, and now that I have real bills, I actually have to care about how much money I'm spending. Oh my gosh, like what type of life is this? Why did I sign up for this? Ew. Oh, they call you first. Oh, okay, I'm leaving, bye. Okay, I was about to leave, but then I just seen that I got these packages. I have no idea what this is. Maybe this is the package I was looking for earlier. What in the world is this? Oh, I know what this is. This is for a chair that I ordered. Wait, I hope not. This is so small. Oh, okay. I was like, what the heck is this? Okay. Wow, this is a lot shorter than I thought it was. So I bought this glass chair off of Amazon, but I did not know it was so low. This is like a really short chair. You know what? Oh my gosh. This don't make no sense. What? You know what? I'm hungry, I don't care, I'm leaving. I'm so hungry. All right, I got excited because I thought it was the blender that I was waiting for, so I can make my smoothies because I eat a smoothie every morning or drink a smoothie every morning, but I guess somebody really stole that because it's not here. Okay, let's go get my Wendy's, I'm hungry. So the couch people finally came. They're supposed to be here by 5, it's 6:30, but it's okay because it's just okay, it's fine, I don't care. My friend Lisa and Sean are here. Sean's hooking up my, what to do? He's hooking up my TV stand for me.
This move would not be made possible without his contributions.
No, literally, Sean is the king.
And all I'm doing is sitting down and watching this TV on the
literally
floor.
made no contribution.
I've done absolutely nothing.
Absolutely.
But this is what we're working with.
Race is not sit on the floor, Race on the couch.
Let's see
Maybe not again, or like,
the room. And myself. Oop.
So that can stay back there. Just, you know what, Lisa, I just go do one thing. She's like, I made no contribution and still hasn't.
Wait, what'd you ask me to do?
The thing is just about like this long.
Yeah. No, this is gonna be fun. This is gonna be fun.
Be in the video. Turn this damn camera. Thank you so much for your wonderful contribution.
couch. Now, I'm probably gonna be paying for this couch for the rest of my life, and my kids are probably gonna be paying for this couch as well after we all die. But if you guys felt this, like, you would know it's lit, bro. I'm so excited. Love my couch so much. Let me give you guys a little overview. It's a little messy right now. It has, like, you know, the little layout chair there, whatever you want to call it, and it's just a really big spacious couch. Definitely getting rid of all of these pillows. Not one of y'all are staying. First of all, because the color is wrong. They came with the couch, but the color is wrong. I'm trying to keep the blue and gray. I got this blanket, don't even remember where, Target. But yeah, these pillows are leaving. I'm gonna get some more gray and blue pillows tomorrow, maybe throw in a white or a black or something. But also shout out to my friend Sean, who hooked up the entertainment center for me. The lights are changing colors. How cute.